What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna witness the beginning of my indoor garden journey. I'm not actually planning anything. I already done that, and I have like a time-lapse video showing the egg cartons when I place the soil in them. There was nothing. A few little buds, sprouts pop up, and that's pretty much it. But the whole purpose of the video again is to show you or to document from start until, and I'll let you know that this is very doable in an apartment. Not a balcony, not starting your not starting your starts, but not starting your damn, what do you call those? I forgot what you call them. Not starting a start. It's not a start. But basically, they're not going outside. They're staying inside. And they're going to grow from seed to harvest. Not just lettuce, but we're going to have some tomatoes, collard greens, stuff like what else? Kale, that's a given. Swiss chard. What else is in there? There's a few other seeds in there. I forgot what they are because this recording is actually done after. After I planted them. So I don't remember what's in there, but it's a lot of stuff. And I'm excited. I've done this before with great success, and I'm looking forward to doing this again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I hope you can get all the info you need from it, and more importantly, inspiration. Because sometimes it just takes watching someone else doing it, knowing it can be done, to inspire you to get up and do it yourself. Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.